Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm excited to present today's content because I'm going to show you the strategy that worked for me in promoting Clickfunnels One Funnel Away Challenge, and I managed to get 700 in 7 days, so that's an average of 100 per day. If you remember, I made a video where you can watch it, how to make 100 with Clickfunnels affiliate program, especially promoting One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm going to tell you the reasons why I promote this product. I'm going to tell you a strategy that I use to promote this product. So it's super valuable. Stay until the end. You're going to know the strategy, you're going to know why, and you're going to know how to promote it for yourself, because the challenge that was in March, the registration ended and now you cannot register for it. So the next one will be at the end of April 29th. That's when it starts, and it's really great that you're watching this as soon as possible. If you're watching this today when I post this video, then you're going to be one of the first ones to implement it for you. And I just wanted to also mention that you see this t-shirt that I have, it says Funnel Hacker. So from now on, if I'll be wearing this t-shirt, I'll be making content about ClickFunnels and affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels. So that's how you'll be able to easily tell. If you'll see me in this t-shirt, you'll know that content in this video is about ClickFunnels. So if you're interested in something else, for example, other responders or other softwares, but you're not interested in ClickFunnels, you can just skip the video where this, where if you're looking specifically for ClickFunnels videos, then if you're going to see me in this t-shirt, you're going to know that the video today is about ClickFunnels. And now I have one more t-shirt, but I can find it. So I have two of these. They're both mine. If you remember, I mentioned that I have the giveaway until the last day of March, where I'm gonna announce the winner, and you're gonna win one of these t-shirts, but not with this design. You can find the link below. So I just want to remind about the terms of participating in the giveaway. So you need to comment below the video where I announced the giveaway. It's the previous one. You can find a card here where you can comment below giveaway. So that's one. Then you need to take a screenshot of one of your favorite video of mine if you're watching it, because this is a giveaway for subscribers. So take a screenshot of the video whenever you like, any part of the video, and post it on Instagram and tag me. You can find my Instagram below. That's two. And three, subscribe to my channel. It's a giveaway for subscribers, so subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna announce the giveaway. It's gonna be a random. I'm gonna make a list, and I'm gonna give a number to each of the participants, and everybody's gonna have equal chances to win. And there's gonna be a second winner, which will win the book. So one of them will win a t-shirt. You can find below the link where you can choose the t-shirt, and other one will win a book, Expert Secrets or .com Secrets. And now about today's content. So you can see I made a list here in my computer. That's a post that I posted. I'm gonna mention at the end of the video what's this about. So why promoting One Funnel Away Challenge instead of any other product out there? First of all, ClickFunnels is a great product, and they have so many different products that you can promote. For example, the free trial, so the software. Then you can promote the books. Then you can promote funnel scripts. Then you can promote funnel builder secrets. These are different products priced from $8 to $6,000, where you can earn 40% commissions, and then for the One Funnel Away Challenge you can earn 100% commission. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can promote any of these products, and you're gonna know that these are the ones that sell. Because as I mentioned, I will mention this frequently, you need to be promoting and selling products that people are already buying. I'm going to repeat this again. You need to be promoting and selling products that people are already buying. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Don't try to make your own thing. It's probably not going to work. These people are top marketers, top entrepreneurs, and they made these products and they know what people struggle with. And they made this product for entrepreneurs, for those who want to start a business online, for those who already have a business and want to grow it. So they have all these products where this type of people can benefit by buying them. So that's how you know they sell. That's why you should be selling them. And now, why One Funnel Away? It's because I'm going to give you 5 reasons. So the first one, it's $100. It's a steal. I'm totally honest. If you have other programs, like if you're gonna just go, and not necessarily ClickFunnels, where you're gonna learn such a huge content, such a huge amount of content, not only in volume but also quality. Like probably in the 2 years that I'm online, I haven't seen a better structure to take someone from zero to hero than the one funnel away challenge. And it's honestly, compared to other programs that ClickFunnels has, it's a steal. And because for example, Funnel Builder Secrets, it starts at 2,000 and goes up till 6,000, and that's where they are gonna give you like top classes, top education, and top resources, so that your business online can progress. And then the second one is, since this product is really great, it's the value that it delivers is amazing. And if you're an affiliate marketer and you're gonna recommend this to somebody and they're gonna take it, you just should see their reaction. If they're gonna go through the challenge, like you see my reaction after I took it, the challenge is gold. It's simply gold. And for somebody who's looking to build anything online, maybe they have an offline business and they want to expand online, this is just this challenge that they need, and they're gonna be grateful that you recommended them. And that's why it's important for affiliate marketing, because you're gonna build trust with those people, and they're gonna like you, they're gonna like what you recommend, and they will probably get something else from you. They're gonna be a part of your audience. That's 2. And then 3 is, if you're doing affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels and you're promoting ClickFunnels software where you're getting monthly recurring revenue, as long as people stick with ClickFunnels, this challenge will significantly improve the stick rate. So when somebody comes and joins ClickFunnels, yeah, it's an easy software, but it still takes a while for them to understand how to use it and how to use it profitably. You don't come to ClickFunnels to just lose money. No, you should be following a strategy where you will be making money with it. Otherwise, you're just doing something wrong if you're not making money with ClickFunnels. And that's why One Funnel Away Challenge helps these specific people who are getting started. They're gonna learn not only the technical parts, but also how to create an offer, how to build hook story offer, the process, then how to promote the funnel that they built, how to build the structure of the funnel, how to build the Dream 100, and then they are gonna get an action plan for an entire year. So they're gonna use ClickFunnels, so it's better for stick rate. That's 3. Now 4 is a comparison between, if you're gonna go with the affiliate bootcamp, for example, and you're gonna go there and you're gonna be taught how to sell books. So you're gonna make a bridge page where you're gonna have the book, and if somebody buys the book, then you're gonna make $1 commission. And the problem with that is that people will lose money in the beginning, and they cannot afford this because they don't know their numbers. They don't know the lifetime value of a sign up. So when somebody signs up to get the book, yeah, you spend $20 and you get $1 back, and you're hoping that they will buy other programs from ClickFunnels, and that's how you're gonna make back your return on investment. That's why One Funnel Away Challenge is good, because you're selling it, and you're gonna get $100 commission, like upfront. Like you're selling the book, somebody pays, and you're gonna get $1. But if you're selling the free trial, for example, then you're gonna need to wait until the trial is over, and then if the person decides to stick with ClickFunnels, then you're gonna make the commission. So it's a longer hold period, while with the One Funnel Away Challenge, it's instant commissions, and it gets you pumped, gets you hyped to make more. And that's 4. And 5 is gonna be yeah, that's I mentioned in the previous one. So 5 is with the free trial comparison. Free trial, people are not gonna stick with it, and they're gonna have like 14 days. 14 days is not so much actually, and they will not have the guidance, the step-by-step process like in the One Funnel Away Challenge that they can follow, so that they know how to use ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels software is just a software, but the strategy is what counts. and the start is what matters. And then I'm going to show you how I managed to get 10 signups for the One Funnel Away challenge, and I'm sure all of these signups will get huge value from it, from the process that they're going through. And now I'm going to tell you 4 things that you can do to model my strategy for the next one. And then the first one is I made a list of people who might be interested in taking the challenge. So obviously I'm not selling to my friends and family. I made a list of people who would be interested in growing a business. So it's really targeted, and I had the advantage because I'm working online for almost 2 years. So I have a network of people who I know are interested, who I know have businesses, and that's why I made a list of those people, and I reached out to them and reached out with personalized messages, so that it's not just spamming, just giving them courses like everybody does. No, I told you that, look, I know you're at this point in this business, you're gonna take a challenge, you're gonna learn this, and this is gonna get you there. That's a whole other approach, and it gets better results. And then what I did in Excel, I made a table and I put the names of people, and then I made like if I made this columns. The first one is contacted, so I just made it easier for myself to know if I messaged those people and what was the answer and what was the objections, so that I can find a tailored message for them so that they can see the value in One Funnel Away challenge. Because even if a product would be free, you still have to convince people that they need it. And the third thing is that you need bonus stack. And a bonus stack is basically, that's what everybody does now, because that's the right way to do marketing. You need to have some bonuses that you're going to give to people who are going to go through your links, because you can't simply give them, okay, here's the link, sign up. No, you need to give them value, and that's how you're going to beat your competition. The higher the value that you're giving, the higher the chance that you're going to be the one that is going to be chosen to the link. They're going to go through your link. That's how it's going to go. And I have great bonuses. You can see the page below. It's sneakworks.com/challenge. That's the one that I use for affiliates, where they can see what they're getting. And I also included like the group. They're going to be part of the group, and they're going to be they're going to get a personal consultation with me. So these two are important. If you are signing up for the One Funnel Away challenge, make sure the person you're signing up with, I recommend signing up with me, but make sure that person has a group where you can ask questions, you can network with other people, and then that person has a personal consultation. Because courses, yeah, they're valuable, but you may have questions after that. How are you going to get answers for those questions? And then that's 3 and 4. Use different colors in Excel so that you can you can see the big picture easier. If this person was interested, if this person wants to buy, if this person already bought, so that you know you're working faster, you're increasing your productivity, and you're getting results. And that's how I did. I can show you my table, but because they're gonna see the names, but I use blue for those who are interested, green for those who bought, and yellow for those who are on the fence. That's simple, 3 colors. And also in this point, the 4th one, I included that you need to learn to overcome objections. So objections are something like, okay, you tell me I need to join this challenge, but I don't have time. So you need to find answers to these objections, so that you tell people a story like your story. Okay, I didn't have time either in the beginning, but I managed to like do this and that and that, and I managed to get time every single day to complete lesson in the challenge, and it got me these results. And then they can say, I don't have money, it's not for me, it's not for my business, or why should the challenge cost money? And you should learn how to overcome these objections. You need to make a list of this, and then write a story, or even take somebody else's story and tell them like how this person solved this issue that you're having. And that's how you're gonna be able to make this possible for you and make your commissions and get like really great commissions with affiliate marketing, with Clickfunnels, promoting the One Funnel Away challenge. Okay, so if you see here, like I deliver a ton of value on this channel, like I always do this, and you're usually gonna have to like pay somebody for consulting if you're gonna get some information like this. Like I'm telling you here, like step by step strategies that you can follow, and then other resources that you can use, and how I structure for me and what works for me and what gets results, and you can model this and you can see the value. So make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more content about affiliate marketing with Clickfunnels and with other programs. And now I'm going to show you something that happened today when I posted on Facebook in one of the groups, and who answered and what I posted. So make sure to watch this. By the way, I made a post in the Clickfunnels community, Clickfunnels Avenger, that's how it's called, where all the affiliate marketers for Clickfunnels can interact with each other. It's called Clickfunnels Avengers Affiliates. And I made my first post here and it got a ton of attention, and it's the top post at the moment. Thank you for all those who engaged with the post and who found value in this. There should be a link below for the post and for the group. If you're doing affiliate marketing for Clickfunnels, you're gonna find it valuable. Even Steven Larson commented on the post. I'm really really hyped about this. First time talking with Steven, and you should check this out. Also, I have my own group where I post valuable information, my strategies, techniques of how I make these commissions with promoting Clickfunnels and other affiliate programs. I have a free group and a paid one, so the free group and the paid one should be below. Paid one doesn't cost anything, just the only way to get in is to actually get a product from Clickfunnels with my link, and then you're gonna be in the group. I made it so that I can talk specifically with those who are taking action, not just those who are looking for some free stuff, because that's how different people are. So some will just have skin in the game, and it's way easier to work when somebody is ready to take action, and then others just are learning, maybe they're not ready. So that's why I have two groups for Clickfunnels. So there should be links down below where you can register affiliate marketing, not only with Clickfunnels but in general, and you can get support in the free and in the paid one as well. I hope you got value from this video, and I decided I'm gonna make a hashtag. For me, it's gonna be Avenger Nick. So hashtag Avenger Nick. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna put it somewhere here when I'll edit the video. And this is gonna be the hashtag for me in the Clickfunnels community, Avenger Nick. So you can post that hashtag and I'll follow it. That's how I'm gonna be. I'll see your post if you're posting about me. And if you watch this video up to this point, make sure to write below Avenger Nick, and I'll know that I have like loyal fans and people who see value in what I teach, in what I show. And make sure to like the video. You see the value that I'm delivering here, and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.